Okay, let's start. Okay. Let's use derive the equation of the parabola y square is equal to 4x in standard form. This we already discussed. Okay. Check mari 7 marks question check mari derive cheyali. Okay. Y square is equal to 4x. Next, find the focus, vertex, equation of directrix, axis and the length of data spectrum to the parabola y square minus x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. So question number 27. LAQs का 27 आप PDF नीचे देखना. So parabola equation is equation of parabola is y square minus x plus 4y plus 5 plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Now x is equals to y square plus 4y plus 5. So x is equals to y square plus 2 into y into 2. So we have to bring a perfect square, right? A square plus 2ab plus b square minus b square plus 5. So x is equals to y plus 2 whole square plus 1. So basically y plus 2 whole square is equals to x minus 1. So compare this with y minus k whole square is equals to 4 into a into x minus h. Y minus of minus 2. Okay. So y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. So k is equal to 2. Sorry, minus 2. A is equals to 1 by 4. H is equals to 1. Okay. So everybody, first vertex of the focus vertex. So what is vertex? H comma k. So which is 1 comma minus 2. Next focus. Remove the formula. What is the focus? Usually it is a comma 0. Actually focus is a comma 0. But here vertex is not origin. So a plus h comma k plus 0. Basically 0 plus k. Confusion line. Okay. So if the vertex is origin, then the focus is a comma 0. But now the origin is shifted to h comma k. So now the focus will be a plus h comma 0 plus k, which is a plus h 1 by 4 plus 1 5 by 4 comma 0 plus k minus 2. So that is focus. Next one, equation of directrix. Okay, equation of directrix. If the vertex is origin, easy one. If the vertex is origin, then it is x plus a is equal to 0. This is x plus a is equal to 0 equation of directrix. Now, but the vertex is not origin, so origin shift. So it will be x minus h plus a is equal to 0. So it is x minus h1 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. So which is x minus 1 plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. So 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. That is the equation of directrix. Next, axis. Okay. So axis of parabola. y minus k whole square is equal to 4 into x minus x. This is the horizontal parabola. For horizontal parabola, axis will also be horizontal. So horizontal line will be of the form y is equal to k. So basically y plus 2 is equal to 0. That is the focus. Y plus 2 is equal to 0. Next, length of radius vector. Length of radius vector. So length of radius vector will be 4a. So 4 into 1 by 4, 1. So that is the length of radius vector. Any doubts in this? Any doubts? No. So that is 27%. So on 7 marks question. Simple, very simple. Next, 28th question what same along there. 29th. 29th. Find the equation of tangents to the parabola y square is equal to 16x. Y square is equal to 16x. So a is equals to 4. First write that. Find the equation of tangents parallel and perpendicular to the line, which are parallel and perpendicular respectively to the line. Also find the coordinates of their points of contact. Okay. So first thing is tangent parallel to 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So basically we have two questions in this. So first thing is you have to find the equation of tangent which is parallel to this line. And then again the equation of tangent which is perpendicular to this line also. So first we will see the parallelity. Now what is the equation of tangent? If you know the slope, so what is slope? Minus 2 by minus 1, which is 2. Chat on is better, no doubt should be there. Okay. So tangent is parallel to this line, so slope of tangent is 2. So equation of tangent will be equation of tangent y is equal to mx plus a by m. Simple equation. Y is equal to mx plus a by m. So y is equal to 2x plus 4 by 2, 2. So y is equal to 2x plus 2. That is the equation of tangent. So now, also we need to find the point of contact. What is the formula for point of contact? Will you remember? Point of contact. A by m square, comma 2a by m. A by m square, comma 2a by m, which is nothing but 4 by 2 square, 1 comma 2a by m, 2 into 4, 8 by 2, 4. So this is the point of contact. I will update. Simple. Next, tangent is perpendicular to same line 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So slope of tangent is m obviously. So m into minus 2 by minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Product of slopes into minus 1 because both are perpendicular lines. So m is equal to minus half. So equation of tangent will be, formula won't change, right? Formula will not change. Y is equal to mx plus a by m. Formula will not change. So y is equal to minus x by 2 plus a. A is 4. 4 by minus half minus 8. Okay. Now LCM on cross multiplication. 2y is equal to minus x minus 16. So x plus 2y plus 16 is equal to 0. So that is the equation of tangent. Then point of contact for this one. Point of contact of tangent to the parabola. Same formula again. Point of contact. Other formula. A by m square, 2a by m. How to remember the formula? Okay. Otherwise you won't be able to solve it. So it is 4 by 1 by 4. 2 into 4, 8 by minus 1 by 2. So which is 16 comma minus 16. That is the point of contact. Okay. So that is our 29th one. Next, 30, 30, 31. Same model. Okay. First, find the equation of parabola. Parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis. Parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis. So if the axis is parallel to x-axis, see, this is how the equation is. So quadratic in y. X is equal to ay square plus by plus c. Parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis will be of the form x is equal to ay square plus by plus c. So if the axis is parallel to y-axis, then it will become y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. That is 31st question. In 31st question, it's given that the axis is parallel to y-axis. So then the equation will be y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Procedure is same. Now passes through this parabola passes through a minus 2 comma 1, b 1 comma 2, and c minus 1 comma 2. So all this parabola passes through all these 3 points, which means all the points satisfy this equation. Yes, all these 3 points satisfy this equation. So first, substituting point A minus 2 comma 1 in equation, in above equation. Okay. So which will give you minus 2 is equal to a into 1 square plus b into 1 plus. Okay. So which is a plus b plus c plus 2 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Next, substituting point b, which is 1 comma 2. Okay. Now 1 is equal to a into 2 square plus b into 2 plus c is equal to 0. So 4a plus 2b plus c minus 1 is equal to 0. This is second equation. Next, third equation. Substituting point c, which is minus 1 comma 3. Okay. Substituting this point, you will get minus 1 is equal to a into 3 square plus b into minus 1 plus c. So which will give you 9a minus b plus c plus 1 is equal to 0. This is equation 3. Okay. Now, if you observe all these 3 equations, it is similar to a circles question. It is similar to a circle 7 marks question, where you are given 3 points on the circle. You need to find the equation of circle. So you will assume the circle equation to be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. And then you substitute all the 3 points. Okay. So later on, there are 3 variables left. You have to find all the values of all the 3 variables. Okay. So basically, what is easier to eliminate here? First, you have to check which one is easier to eliminate. Always c is easier to eliminate because in every equation, coefficient of c is same. Okay, in every equation, coefficient of c is same. It is 1. So first you have to subtract these 2 equations, and then these 2 or these 2, whatever. Basically, you have to subtract 2 times. Now 1 minus 2, or else we'll do one thing. 2 minus 1. The larger values are here. So 2 minus 1, which will give you 4a minus a, 3a, 2b minus b plus b, c minus c cancel, -1 -2 -3 is equal to 0. 3a plus b minus 3 is equal to 0. Let it be fourth equation. Next, we'll see 3 minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 2 or 1 minus 3 or 1 minus 3. Okay, or 3 minus 1, whatever. A minus b minus 2b minus, okay, c minus minus of minus 1 is equal to 0. This is equation 5. Now solve equation 4 and 5. Now solve equations 4 and 5. So how to solve them? There are two methods. You can either equate the coefficients, or you can also write like this: a by, sorry, a b 1, right, like this. Now a 1 minus 3 minus 3 2 3 5 1 minus 3, cross multiplication. When you're writing the numbers below a, forget about a. When you're writing the numbers below a, forget about a. That is the trick here. So forgetting about a, 1 minus 3 minus 3 2, 1 minus 3 minus 3 2. That's the way how to do. While writing numbers below b, forget about b. Okay. While writing numbers below 1, forget about the constant terms. Okay, that's the way. Now a by 1 into 2, 2 minus into minus 3, 9 is equal to b by minus 3 minus 3 into 2, 6 is equal to 1 by minus 3 minus 9 minus 5 into 1, 5. So by minus 7 is equal to b by minus 21 is equal to 1 by minus 14. So a is equal to minus 7 by minus 14. How to equate these two? Okay. So a is equal to minus 7 by minus 14, which is half. Next, b is equal to minus 7 3 or 7 2 are 3 by 2. So once you get values of a and b, you can also find c. To find c, you can use all these three equations: 1 2 3, whatever is convenient to you. You can find the value of c. So after finding c, you can directly substitute a, b here. That's how you get the equation of parabola. Any doubt? Any doubts here?
థర్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ p of 3 అనుకుంటావా? ఏ ఈక్వేషన్ బా? అరే అవునరా, p of 3 కరెక్ట్. ఓకే,
డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వస్తుంది.
ఇక్కడ రాసిన ఈక్వేషన్ 3 మైనస్ b స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ b ఇంటూ 3 ప్లస్ 3 b ఇంటూ -1 రాసా, ఇట్ షుడ్ బి b ఇంటూ 3. ఓకే, సో కరెక్ట్ దట్. ఇంకా వస్తున్నారా డిస్టర్బెన్స్? అక్కడ మ్యూట్ లో ఉందా, అన్మ్యూట్ లో ఉందా? అక్కడ మ్యూటే ఉందిగా, మ్యూట్ లోనే ఉందిగా. సౌండ్ వినిపిస్తుంది. ఏ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ అంటే అయిపోయింది. ఓకే, ఒక నిమిషం ఆగండి అయితే. స్టిల్ సో దట్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ 30th one. 32nd.
We already discussed this.
Once again, the normal at a
అయిపోయింది.
okay. So the normal at a point t1 on y square is equal to 4ax. అక్కడే ఏదో డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఉంది అయితే పోయింది. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు వస్తుందా డిస్టర్బెన్స్? ఇప్పుడు రావట్లేదుగా. ఓకే, సో క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 32 ప్రూఫ్ అది. The normal at a point t1 on y square is equal to 4ax meets the parabola again at the point t2. Then prove that t2 is equal to minus of t1 plus 2 by t1 or minus t minus 2 by t1. ఏదైనా ఒకటి ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్ చేసాం, గుర్తుందా ఇది? పోయిందా? Okay, next. So normal at T1, equation of normal at T1 is, గుర్తుందా ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ నార్మల్ ఏమవుతుందో? y plus x t1 is equal to 2a t1 plus a t1 cube. That is the equation of normal at a point. Okay, now this cuts the parabola again at again at q t2, which is a t2 square comma 2a t2. So now this point is also on the normal, right? This is a point on the parabola, obviously, but this is also a point on normal. So which means substitute the point in the normal equation. So 2a t2 plus a t2 square into t1 is equal to 2a t1 plus a t1 cube. So 2a t2 minus 2a t1 is equal to a t1 cube minus a t1 into t2 square. Okay, so now 2a of t2 minus t1 is equal to a t1 of t1 square minus t2 square. So 2a of t2 minus t1 is equal to a t1 of t1 minus t2 into t1 plus t2. So I'll do one thing here. Take minus common, and you'll get t1 minus t2. So a cancel, and then t1 minus t2 cancel, because I can cancel t1 minus t2 because t1 cannot be equal to t2, right? These two are entirely different points. Okay, which means t1 can never be equal to t2, so that I can cancel the common term on both sides. Now what will be left? What is left? Minus 2 is equal to t1 into t1 plus t2, which is minus 2 by t1 is equal to t1 plus t2. So t2 is equal to minus t1 minus 2 by t1. So minus of t1 plus 2 by t1. Adi proof. Okay, so that is 32nd one. Next, 33. Show that the equations of the common tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 2a square. X square plus y square is equal to 2a square, and the parabola y square is equal to 8ax. Y square is equal to 8ax. So basically the question is to find the equation of common tangent. To find the equation of common tangent to the circle and the parabola. Okay. So first, let the equation of common tangent be y is equal to mx plus c. Let the equation of common tangent be y is equal to mx plus c. Now condition for the line to be tangent to x square plus y square is equal to root 2a whole square. X square plus y square is equal to root 2a whole square. So r is equal to root 2a. So we know that for the line y is equal to mx plus c to be a tangent to x square plus y square is equal to r square, c square should be equal to r square into 1 plus m square. This is the condition, right? C square is equal to r square into 1 plus m square. So c square is equal to, what is r square? 2a square into 1 plus m square. Okay, so basically we need to find the value of m. So to get the equation of common tangent, we need m and c. obviously we'll get C, but we need to find basically M. That is our aim. Next, condition for parabola y square is equal to 4 into 2a into x. Okay, now it is not a, but it is 2a. In place of a, there is 2a here. So what is the condition? C is equal to a by m, but it is not a by m, it is 2a by m. The formula is C is equal to a by m, but here it should be C is equal to 2a by m. Okay. Okay. Now, what is C square? 4a square by m square. So equating these two. Okay. So equating these two. From 1 comma 2, we'll get 2a square into 1 plus m square is equal to 4a square by m square. 2 will be left. M square into 1 plus m square is equal to 2. So m power 4 plus m square minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation, but not in m square. So m power 4 plus 2m square minus m square minus 2 is equal to 0. So m square of m square plus 2, m square of m square plus 2 minus 1 of m square plus 2 is equal to 0. M square plus 2 of m square minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so which means m square is equal to minus 2 or m square is equal to 1. Okay, this is not possible. M square is equal to 1, so m is equal to plus or minus 1. So if m is equal to plus or minus 1, what is the value of C? C is equal to 2a by m. So if m is 1, then C is 2a. If m is minus 1, then C is minus 2a. So basically, C value is plus or minus 2a. So substitute the values of m and C here. So equation of tangent is y is equal to mx plus C, obviously. So it will be like y is equal to plus or minus x plus or minus 2a. So if you take plus or minus common, you will get x plus 2a. Okay, plus or minus, because see, if m is plus 1, C is plus 2a. Remember that. If m is plus 1, C is plus 2a. When m is minus 1, C is minus 2a. That's why we got only plus sign here. If it's the reverse sign, see, if m is plus 1 and C is minus 2a, and m is minus 1 when C is plus 2a, then you're going to get minus sign here. Remember that. Okay. Next. So that is about 33rd one. 34th, find the equation of the parabola whose focus is minus 2 comma 3. Okay. Find the equation of the parabola whose focus is minus 2 comma 3, and the equation of directrix is 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Also find the length of latus rectum and the equation of the axis of the parabola. Okay. కొంచెం పెద్ద క్వశ్చన్ బట్ ఓకే చూడండి. So equation of directrix. Okay. So you know focus as well as directrix. So how to find the equation of parabola? Just go by definition. What is the definition of parabola? Locus of a point which is equidistant from the focus and directrix. So let P be x1 comma y1. Okay. So PS is equal to distance of P from equation 1. Okay, so locus of this is parabola. Okay, so definition of parabola. What is the definition? Locus of a point which is equidistant from the focus and directrix. That is the definition of parabola. So now PS, so under root x1 minus 2, so x1 minus of minus 2, x1 plus 2 whole square plus y1 minus 3 whole square is equal to, okay, distance of the point from this line. So mod of 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 4 upon under root 2 square plus 3 square. Okay, now you have to square this on both sides. Squaring on both sides, square root cut, ikkada kuda square root cut. So x1 square plus 4x1 plus 4 plus y1 square minus 6y1 plus 9, after squaring you will get this, is equal to 2x1 plus 3y1 minus 4 whole square by 13. That is root 13. After squaring you will get plus 13. That's it. Okay, simply 13. Okay, next one. You just have to expand this a plus b minus c whole square formula. Cross multiply with 13 first. So you're going to get 13x1 square. 13x1 square plus 13 4 is 52x1 plus 52x1 plus 13y1 square. Okay, minus 13 6 are 78 minus 78y1. Okay, 9 plus 4 13. 13 into 13 169. This is LHS part plus 169 is equal to, now RHS, a plus b minus c whole square, a square 4x1 square plus b square 9y1 square plus 4 square 16. Time inko 2 minutes ఉంది. Okay, plus 16. Okay, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2 into 2x1 into 3y1, 2 into 3 6 into 6x1 y1 into 2 12x1 y1 12x1 y1 plus, sorry, no plus again, 2 into 3y1 into minus 4, 3 into 4 12y1 into 2 24y1, basically minus 24y1. Next 4 y raise 8. So 2 into 2x1 into minus 4 minus 16x1. Okay, so that is the equation. So 13 minus 4 9x1 square, 13 minus 9 4y1 square. Okay, so 12x1 y1 adelte minus 12x1 y1. Next 52x1 minus 52x1 plus 16xy1, 52x1 plus 16x1, so 68x1 minus 78y1 plus 16y1, which is minus 24 minus 78 plus 24 minus 54